welcome to Mrs. Patterson's Homework Help. This is Math, Chapter 5, Lesson 2. Okay, the lesson today includes rounding, then multiplying. So we've looked at multiplying an item by 0, and we can use the magic of 0 with this as well, and it makes multiplication super duper easy. The example they give us here for this lesson is if we take 88 and we round it to 90, and we have 65 and we round that to 70, then we can easily multiply these two numbers. We pop out our zeros. 7 times 9 is 63. Then we put those zeros back in to make it 6,300. Okay? The tricky part here is rounding and making sure that you're rounding correctly. Usually, in these questions, in these problems, we round to the greatest value of the last place digit. So 37, 7's big enough to bump that 3 up to a 4, and it would be 40. 22, that 2 is not strong enough to bump up that other 2, so it would be 20. So you do 4 times 2 is 8, and 0 back into the equation for 800. We just take them out, multiply what we have, put them back in, and we have the answer of 800. Remember, when you're rounding, if the number is less, 4 or less, then you round down. You keep that front number and you put that to 0. If the number is 5 or greater, then that bumps that number up, and we call that rounding up. Now, on the back, like I said, it's the same thing. They give you word problems with that same math strategy. So let's look at the first one here, number 5. A concert ticket cost $23. About how much will tickets cost for a group of 22 people? So we have 23 and 22. Something I noticed that both these numbers are not 5 or more. So we're going to round down on both of those. So it would be 20 and 20. We would multiply those. Take out your zeros. 2 times 2 is 4. Put your zeros back in. So we have 400. Okay. The bonus question for today is estimate then multiply 19 times 41.